Alright guys, you see this particular website will pay you $50 per hour. Okay, if you become an helper and if you become a hand, it will pay you $35 per hour. So all what you need to do is to own and qualify this vehicle and can lift over 75 IPLs. Okay, so let me just walk you through this website and let you know what you need to know. You can see you can find dollies nearby. Like use helper apps to browse dolly helper and learn about the job requirements, right? And then build your schedule. Okay, then do the dolly and earn your own money, right? So the reason why I'm introducing this platform to you now is that they have high payouts and guarantee. As you can see how much they will be getting paid, requesting $1 and receive 100% of customer tips. So top helper can routine earn over $1,000 per week, right? So you can build your deliver business. Okay, this is a business that your money is saved and you get your own money once you complete the job, once you complete the tax tools. Okay, so control your work schedules and do this with your friends. All right, and the FAQ here, which I'll be showing you at the end of this video. So I want to walk you through the process. I don't want these videos to be long. So what you need to do now is to become an helper. So right now I will just come here and click on helper sign up. Now I've clicked on helper sign up. As you can see, make average of $50 per hour with Dolphin. So all what you need to do here is to come here and select the area that you are. So you need to choose the area that you are here. Let me just choose, I will choose Chicago as for this particular training right now. Then you input your details, your name, your first name and last name and every other things here. So I will just input my details here, and if you are doing so, just input your correct details here so that you don't have any issue when you are start using this platform, right? So you input your street address name and every other thing here. And just use California here, zip code, just have zip code. And then all what you need to do here is to tell us about the vehicle you'll be used for this dolly. Alright, so you need to input all your vehicle details here so you can register. And this particular website is only used for the US resident. Okay, if you are not in US, you cannot be able to use this particular website. So you need to be someone that based in US for you to start using this website and start making money for yourself. So you need to go to the FAQ and see what this platform is all about and how you can book if you want to become an helper and any other things. So when I just come here to the FAQ here, so you need to come to the FAQ and see what this platform will be and how you'll be working with them. So you see, we connect independent contractor with local people and businesses who need to transporting or lift other heavy items. And what I'll be doing here is you check what you'll be doing here, operate as an independent contractor and will be choose which job are right for you. Okay, so Dolly offers a various service for customers, including store delivery. Right, so you need to go through all these things so that you'll not be stuck when you are start using this. And then, what is the pay and how am I paid? Alright, so average earning Dolly pay helper makes average of $50. Why hands make average of $35 with this particular website, and helpers and hand keeps 100% of the customer tips from each day daily. Alright, so then payment schedule, then they pay twice a week through PayPal. So after you have proof on the platform, they will email you point to the best way to set up your PayPal account for daily. Okay, so Dolly completed on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Payout on Friday, and Dolly completed on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So put out on Tuesday, right? So what is the different position available? you can become an helper, a hand or assistant, and you keep making your own money. So what are the requirements for that to become? You see, there is 18 years of age holder, so you need to have an Android or iOS smartphone with Android less than 5.0 version and iOS of 11 or newer. Then you need a paper account and ability to pay for the pass background check. And if you come here to the airport, too, you see you need a truck or a Moscow, so okay, so that you can be able to pack all the load and get paid. So an active and valid driver license authorized to drive, okay, and auto insurance that match the name and vehicle for signing up, and a proof of being the ownership of insecure driver if the vehicle and or insurance is registered under a legal registration business name. Alright, so you see the hands, you see that no truck required. Alright, so just a valid and unexpired US government issue identification. So you need to go through all these things when you want to get started with this platform. So what are the steps becoming a daily helpers and all? So you need to check it and I don't own a truck. How can I be a helper? There's alternative way for you here. So you need to sign up by hand so that I can help by hand. So if you find this video helpful, kindly share with others.